Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one we have a minus b, so we want to create about a square minus b square. So we want to cancel about the square root, so we need to have b to the power of 2. However, we just have only a minus b, so to create about this one we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. And now we can simplify it. And this one we have s squared minus of s squared plus 3x. So this one minus this one, negative with 3x, we have negative 3x. Next, we divide by x on numerator and denominator. So x will go inside the square root and we have like this. So x divided by x, we have number 1. Similar for this one. S squared divided by s squared, s divided by s squared. So we have 1 over 3 over s. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have the final answer. And this one we have negative number 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.